Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by trimming the sheet and defining exactly what prints. Set the print area to the cells you need, then switch to page layout and pick orientation, size, and narrow margins so content can fit. Once done, use Page Break Preview to visualize where rows and columns split. Drag breaks inward to remove wasted white space. Make sure to hide helper columns and unused rows now. That immediately reduces width and cleans the printed layout before scaling. Now focus on making data readable while forcing everything onto one page. In Page Setup, use Scale to Fit. Set width to one page and height to one page so Excel compresses proportionally. Next, adjust column widths and apply wrap text where needed. Reduce font sizes for dense areas, but keep headers legible. Replace long text with concise labels or abbreviations and use custom number formats to shorten values. Once done, remove unnecessary grid lines. Finish by validating the result before sending it out. Open Print Preview and inspect the page at actual scale. Confirm fonts, columns, and wrap text remain readable. Export to PDF using actual size to lock formatting, then reopen the PDF to double-check alignment. If something spills or shrinks too much, undo the last steps. Unhide any hidden columns, reassign or clear the print area, and tweak scale to fit or column widths. One key troubleshooting tip. If content still overflows, temporarily reduce margins and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.